Today I show you my Photoshop Graffiti Text Effect bundle, how to use it and custom it. This is the package include, and I show you how to edit the text. You replace your own text. See the sum of sample, the quality. There is the different type of quality, and you can change the background if you want. Okay, another style, and this is another you can change the text setting and text effect, or everything is customizable. Another okay, now go to my download file. There is the PSD file include in Editable, and this is the help file. There is the font download link include. You can download all font fast or work copy and paste the font, and you can download and install this font. Like there is a more font, you can use all font. Okay, I have download, and I want to install it. Okay, and install the font. Same way you can download another font like this one, copy paste and download it, and install it. You can make the unzip. I have just double click and install it. Okay, now open a file, any file. I have opened this graffiti effect in my Photoshop. Okay, it's open now. This is open, and check out the option, all option I just introducing and how to use. This is your text replace here, and this is extra information text like this text, so this is not needed. Just uncheck the text, this one, and you can place your text, this option, your text replace here. Double click this option, and see the setup is there, is a round circle setup. You can use your setup, or just uncheck this one, and you can type yourself. So you can your text use like the text tool, and you can select your font, any type of font, that is totally depend of you, and you can change color, everything in your knowledge. Okay, and Ctrl T for transform, or you can scaling transform option there, free transform tool there, and you can make it bigger. See, so, and you can save it, but I uncheck this one. I show you my text setting. Now I show you later this is my text, and need to replace text there, and if you want to the same text, so select and text type tool, and this is the font name. You can copy. Also there is the this font link, download link is include. So I just separately download this, like this one, and submit it, download. Okay, I just adjust fitting the font, so different file is different font use, that's purpose. Okay, install. If I install firstly, then it's automatically fixed. See, there is the no error option, automatically fixed. And this one also. So I show you again. I just close it, double click, because I font have installed, so it's now set it the font. I type there MRIKHOK1, and it make the biggest I show. So you can move it, and you can transform it, Control T, or there is the show transform control. You can make the transform and size. Okay, and I have edited this setting, and type tool, and I have double click the text, and text is typed style 2024. I have 24. Type this and make the small. Okay, now I have save it for save as button, and it's save. I check my template, see the template is updated, everything is perfectly okay. So you can change your text very easily. See, the quality is perfect and very nice, and advanced module use. And I have closed it. Now I show another template. You can use another template. Okay, so this is another option, and double click this. Okay, this font is already included. If you want to the change font, select all, and you can change yourself font there. Okay, you can set any of font. I have set this one now, and save button click, go. See, it's set up perfectly. So if I change the text, I type CREATION, creation, or I have typed like Photoshop, and its size is more extra. So I just simply do not move the text, and just smaller, and make sure that it's a middle position. Just a middle position, alignment, and save. Now back to template. See, is auto setup. Everything is auto, and you can move everything. This is the text setup. This is the spark option. Check the spark and click this, and transform. You can use the T option, or O option, or H option, so you can move it very easily, and any area very easily. Super editable. We think the editable option, and this is the adjustment and the color option. Check out the color, but I like to my default color also, and uncheck this extra text option. Okay, extra this one, and this is the background. If you want to the change background or JPG, PNG transparent, so uncheck this two background, and save it, export, and PNG. Now I show you another one, and I show you my first graffiti effect in background module. This is the background module. You can uncheck, and there is the looking, see, and I think you can control the spray. See, if you do not like the spray, you can uncheck the spray and hide this one. Now it's a transparent. You can use the spray, and transparent module is working. If you want to background, you can use the background, and there is the option. You can change the color very easily. See, double click this option, and you can change color very easily. I previously show this, and I show again. I like to type green, GRWN, green, and I set up it. Okay, text style not effect, uppercase lowercase mix up later, then it will show the noise. And now I have save button. See, it is nicely set up, or you can change the background module there very easily, and background color you can check uncheck these two, and only the background is solid, and view this one and double click this option, and you can change the color very easily by one click. So it's a super edit and editable option. Okay, now I have closed it. I use another one, show you, like I show this one. Okay, and same way you can type anything, like I type to art, art style as is uppercase, then it's look like nice. Okay, save it button click, and it save it back to my template. See the template, and you can move it the middle center and save it again. See, okay, and there is the everything is spark. You can control the spark transform tool, this one, and you can make it the position yourself where you want to set. Okay, and I like to see the text background color and text editable option. You can check out the text, and we have hidden some of color option. See, there is the option. So check out the all folder and maintenance the all, and there is the background option. See the looking, you can uncheck. Firstly you can uncheck this one, the information text. If you do not like to color style, uncheck this one, and there is the adjustment. See, and double click this adjustment. You can make adjustment brighter or darker, what you want. Okay, I think this is solved for how to use it and custom it, and all are same way you can use. If you think more help, you can message my profile, and our mention support information in follow the description. We have include our supporting information. We are very fast reply. Visit our site photoshop-action.net. There is the bundle option and free file and flash sale. Bundle are 99% discount going on. This product is 99% going on discount, and we have combined the all for type of photo effect include this bundle and bonus file. And also you can download this text bundle effect in our Photoshop Creative Market shop. And follow the link. I have include the link